Hey everyone, I'm Ihsan. In this video, we'll talk about several new features in the WhatsApp application. Some of these features are already available in the public version, while others are still in beta. It's important to note that not all accounts will receive these features immediately. Therefore, some accounts may have already received them, while others may still be waiting for certain features to roll out. To check whether your account has got the features in this video, you can first download the beta version of the WhatsApp application. You can find the link to download the application directly in our Telegram channel. The link is also available in the description of this video. Okay, now let's take a closer look at all the latest WhatsApp features. For the first feature in the latest WhatsApp update, there are several new chat formats available when sending messages. Previously, WhatsApp only supported italic, bold, and strike-through for chat formatting. Now there are additional formats such as numbered list, bullet list, code format, and inline code format. In the latest WhatsApp update, a new feature has been introduced, which allows you to format text as numbered or bulleted list. This means you can automatically organize certain points with number or bullet points, providing another way to structure your messages effectively. Another intriguing addition is the new code format, allowing you to display WhatsApp chats as codes for better emphasis and clarity. Additionally, there is the inline code format, which presents text in code-like format similar to programming languages. You can utilize this feature to highlight programming language within your WhatsApp chats, making it stand out with a distinct font different from regular chats. Moreover, the inline code can also be used to highlight specific parts of the conversation. Then the second new feature in the latest WhatsApp update allows you to pin WhatsApp chats at the top of your chats more than one chat only. Previously, you could only pin one WhatsApp chat at the top of the application. But with this latest update, you can now pin 3 WhatsApp chats directly at the top of chat section. This means you can easily pin 3 important chats for faster and easier access directly at the top of your WhatsApp chat list. Then the next new feature is the secret code option to disable chat log in WhatsApp chats. In previous version of WhatsApp application, the chat log feature allowed users to log their chats, but the logged chats would always appear at the top, making them easily noticeable by others. With the latest secret code feature, you can now create a special keyword to unlock chat log and hide the logged chats from the top of the chat list. To activate this feature, simply lock one of the chats you want to hide. Then open the logged chat. Then inside the logged chats, click on the 3 dots option in the top right corner and select Chat Log Settings. Here you can tap on Hide Logged Chats. Next, create the secret code. What's unique here about this feature is that you can use not only letters but also emojis as your secret code password. By hiding the chat log feature from the top and enabling the secret code, the logged chats will remain hidden from others. To find the hidden chat, simply search for the WhatsApp chat and type the secret code you created. Once entered, the hidden chats will appear, and you can open it without needing to unlock it again with your fingerprint. Then the next new feature allows you to create stickers directly within WhatsApp application using photos from your smartphone gallery. Now you can easily create WhatsApp stickers without having to download the third-party application. When you select a photo from your gallery, WhatsApp automatically converts it into a sticker. You can then further customize the sticker by adding text or drawings. Once edited, the photo becomes a sticker. These new features makes it very easy and fast to create stickers from your own photo within your gallery application. And you can create stickers directly within the WhatsApp application. Then there is also a new look in the latest WhatsApp update. Besides moving the menu to the bottom, you can now navigate between menus by swiping directly from any part of the screen. This eliminates the need to press the bottom button repeatedly only to switch menus. Then in the latest WhatsApp application, a new security feature has also been added to prevent screenshots of other people's profile photos on WhatsApp. Then there is also a helpful new feature that has been introduced for searching old WhatsApp chats. In the latest update, you can now search for old WhatsApp messages directly by date. Previously, you could only search by keyword, but with this latest update, you can now search for old chats based on specific dates. Then in the latest WhatsApp update, you can also now directly upload photos or videos directly to your WhatsApp status in HD format. You can do it by simply tap the camera icon at the top right, and when updating a photo or video to your status, an HD icon will appear at the top. Then you can select HD option at the top to make sure your media is uploaded in higher quality. And here to access this feature, make sure you use the camera icon at the top. Because if you tap on the bottom camera icon to upload your WhatsApp status, the HD option won't appear. Then in this latest WhatsApp update, you can also now choose the default media upload quality directly in the WhatsApp application settings. Here you can navigate to WhatsApp settings, then select storage and data. From there you can set the media upload quality to HD. Here by selecting HD quality, all photos and video you send from WhatsApp chats will automatically be uploaded in HD format. Then from now on, you won't need to adjust the HD settings individually when sending media in your WhatsApp application. And then there are also features related to WhatsApp channels. In the latest WhatsApp update, you can set your WhatsApp channels to only display certain emojis. Or you can also remove reaction emojis on your WhatsApp channel. And here there is also a new feature to help you manage the WhatsApp channel, because now you can also add admin accounts to help you manage your WhatsApp channel. So with this latest WhatsApp update, you can now manage the WhatsApp channel together with several admins at once. Apart from that, you can also now transfer ownership of the WhatsApp channel to another admin. Then in the latest WhatsApp application update, you can also add an email to your WhatsApp account. With this feature, you can immediately verify your WhatsApp account with that email. Then there is also a new feature to create channel reports automatically. Previously, this reporting feature was only available for account information. Then in this latest update, now you can also request reports for WhatsApp channels. Then there is also a new feature that has been added to protect your IP address during WhatsApp calls. If you are concerned about privacy, you can enable this feature to prevent your IP address from being traced during WhatsApp calls. Then in the latest WhatsApp update, there is a new feature called App Updates, which allows you to enable automatic updates for the WhatsApp application. Additionally, you can also activate the notification feature to receive notifications when a newer version of WhatsApp is available. And then if you want to check out more useful features in the WhatsApp application, you can tap on the video that appears on your screen. Hope you find this video helpful. See you in the next one.